Hello. In this video, I will show you a funny trap that you can do to any friend of yours who owns an iPhone to convince him that there has been a problem with the iPhone and it is not responding to any command, and this problem already exists in the software version of iOS 17. I will explain to you the method practically and how to solve this problem as well. Now let's get started. Go to the Applications page. Then the search box and type the name of any application, let it be Facebook. And then, go to the space bar on the keyboard and press and hold it, moving right and left as if you want to change the position of a letter, and hold it down. Then use your other finger to navigate to the iPhone pages. Then go back to the application library page and click where the search box is. Now you will find that the iPhone is frozen and will not accept any commands, no matter what you do. Give the iPhone to your friend and tell him that the iPhone does not work. Now how to solve the problem. Single tap on the volume up button. Then press the volume down button once. Now press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Then the iPhone will restart as it is without deleting any data or changing it permanently. I hope you liked the video, and do not forget to support the video by liking and subscribing to the channel if you like the content. Thank you for watching.